What up, y'all? So today we are fixing this. It's gonna be real quick. A couple of quick bolts. Take it over to the anvil, beat it flat. So yeah, see you guys then. Okie dokie. Cool. Cool.
I can't really.
I can get it. Oh.
Did you say it should be a total of like 10 pounds?
Yeah, that's why it flew up in the first place. I think the hood's honestly gonna be okay.
What part bent?
That.
Are these supposed to be flat?
Yeah.
Like that's supposed to be down there.
Yeah. You can see where it used to be. The actual hinge. I don't know, dude. I've never seen that before. It broke the seam sealer off.
It came this way.
Huh? Oh.
It came this way. Not that way. It came this way. I don't understand that. That's fucking awesome.
Yeah, I don't get it either, man.
Oh, it almost broke the windshield.
Shit, honestly, I might not need to take it off.
No, you don't need to take it off.
That one doesn't need to be done.
She's a fucking water balloon. Oh, buddy, old pal. Oh.
That's not so bad.
Look at the paint coming off there.
Who gives a fuck about the paint?
Now I'm curious how many layers it's got.
At least 3 right there.
Let me tap this corner down.
That didn't work.
I know. Give me the fucking brick.
Hold on, I got an idea for the corners.
2 bricks, one on the back side to hold it flat, and one on the front.
Easy.
Back a little bit.
Hold on, you're moving it for me though. I'm trying to get it just right. Fuck, dude, that's fucking it. All day. All fucking
We need to put
day,
a weld.
dude.
Look, we need to put a weld where it's split though.
Okay.
See these drops right here, this glue? I've got that stuff in my toolbox.
It's not so bad. It's actually pretty bad, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Need to bend the middle back more. And is it resting on the engine?
Mint.
It's definitely not latched.
Nah, this hood's pretty much fucked. Man, everybody be selling these crazy carts out from underneath of us. Somebody on YouTube needs to hit us up. Send us your send us your kids' old stuff. Give us some crazy carts. I love this mirror over here. Like they did it like a flaky pearlescent white.
The whole thing is that way.
Yeah, some of it.
Yeah. Tell them to go buy those back and we'll give them $200 for them.
So there you have it. Some things can't be fixed.
Oh, we're gonna get the other hood back on there.
Who wants to see some footage of the marquee doing some donuts?
Me. Thought about also like.
Drift stitch or die, motherfuckers.
Thought about also like we could just take some tape and fix that with tape for now.
You could use some vinyl wrap and it would look like it's all solid.
That's all I'm saying to do with the tape, basically.
It's just popping and cracking the whole walk. Got it? Hang on. I'll take these bolts out.
I'm gonna set it down.
Dude, you did that part of the fiberglass just where? Right there, look on the edge. Oh, no, that's mud, never mind. I thought the fiberglass. $3,000 helicopter. If not more.
Too clean with it. That thing's all the way up there. Oh, anyways.
Yeah, if you listen to the video,
We got a couple right-hand drive beasts here.
That's who I sold it to. But yeah, so when I wrecked that car, I brought it back to the house.
It's got the stock B series in there, but these injectors, which he's about to do today, as you can see, at the old whale dick. Very nice, converted. Alright, and then we got the cream of the crop. Shadows. See, a little dirty, but it don't make it go any faster. That's what's dirty. Alright, height. Static, you already know. Static. He's got a good security system and he's just letting me do this, so just in case anyone gets any bright ideas. Look at them. All the way back.
Did I have pieces on there for $1,200 or $400? I was like, yeah, brand new.
Yeah. Alright, so I've lost my helper, but that's okay. As you can see, we've got it half propped open. I'm going to throw a bolt in each side, and that'll allow us to prop it all the way up without damaging the corners anymore, because if you look, we've got some major flex. I don't want to break them any more than they already are. They're bent up. Oof. Anyways, yeah. Do that now. So now we can just lift it up. Okay, so I know that this video is all over the place, but that's because the timing of these things is not up to me. So, I'm about to go pick something up. It's gonna be dope. We're gonna have fun. I'm not gonna spoil it. Maybe the title did, maybe it didn't. Maybe the thumbnail did, maybe it didn't. But you'll see now. Ignore my messy car. You'll see now. And we're just gonna try and have fun, be safe on it. Hit the loop a couple times. You guys already know about the loop. You already know about the loop. So yeah, see you guys there. Oh shit! That thing looks fun. Sorry, I got a YouTube channel. Is it cool if I
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
record a little bit?
Go ahead.
That's what's up, dude.
Yeah, test it out. I can record you real quick if you want to.
First try, okay.
Alright.
Alright, here we go.
To drift, just lift the handle up and it basically puts the back tires on a 360 axis.
Okay. Oh, that's touchy, isn't it?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, it died. It died
Oh,
out.
is the steering wheel facing the right way?
Oh, no.
This has to be facing forward,
Yeah.
and then try it again.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, and then if you spin out
Yeah.
and the wheel gets sideways and like you're going backwards, like you're rolling backwards.
Yeah, I think that's what just happened.
Yeah, and it gets like faced like this. Make sure you let off the gas, or like say it's like it's faced like this and it won't go forward. Let off the gas, or you might burn the motor up.
Oh, true. Like it's like bound up or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think what happened was I was going forward still and it was going backwards.
Yeah, like the motor's trying. Yeah.
Right.
And it'll save your tire too.
True. This thing's
Yeah.
wild.
Yeah.
Okay, alright. I'm not gonna break it.
Oh, you're good.
This thing's dope, man.
Yeah, and I wouldn't even say it's a quarter of the way charged, so.
Heck yeah.
It actually has some power whenever you actually
Like
charge
first
it.
pull it off.
Not even when you first pull it off, first 10 minutes.
Heck yeah.
I'd say. But like the tire, you can hit the gas. So basically it's not just like a one click and it's one speed.
Word.
It's like,
Is there supposed to be wheels here?
no,
They're
they're pegs.
they're like you
could buy
replace them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which, I mean, you could even take them off. But
Yeah.
It's just so if you tip over a little bit, they slide instead of you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you really don't ever use the front like that?
Nah.
Okay.
And the back tires, they're just like, I guess they're skateboard tires. I
Yeah.
replaced them a little bit ago.
I can
but
tell they're not the stock ones, because the stock ones are like a little.
I don't even know what the stock ones
They almost look like cheap, just plastic. You know, like
yeah.
think about like a longboard wheel. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But a Walmart
Yeah, I ran
version.
the things out of those. Whenever I got it, they had like grooves cut in them, like done
Yeah.
on purpose. I was driving down the road bumping. I eventually ran it to where it was just the actual plastic part.
Okay.
And even then, I
Has
kept
some
running
flat
that damn
spots and
thing.
shit.
It was just plastic.
Yeah, just that inner bearing.
Yeah, no, it didn't even have the tire on it. I was still ripping it around, but.
Woo! Ugh. So we're home. Alrighty, so Crazycart adventure aside, you can see we've already got our hood bolts tightened back up. Don't want to over tighten them because that fiberglass will break free whatever bracketing system they've got going on. Something like that. One thing we are gonna have to worry about It's this right here. We don't want that to spread, which it will soon if we don't take care of it. But I need a hood, so without further ado, we once again have a hood. So as you can see, we've realigned it, tightened everything down. Here's some damage. See where it flexes up. I don't know if you see that. I'm kind of trying to get the... Yeah, real damaged. But yeah, I think we're gonna get some highlights on the Crazycart to finish this video out. I'm gonna have a fire later tonight, maybe some footage of that, maybe not, I don't know. But either way, everybody be safe. Peace out, and I'll see you next week. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, comment down below. I really appreciate it. It helps the algorithm. It helps me out, and maybe one day I can fund some new fun toys with this channel and share that fun with you all. You know, it's all in the light of just enjoying life and making good memories. So with that in mind, peace out. Thank you. Have a good night.
How do I stop it?
There's no brakes.
It has no brakes?
No brakes. Just Austin's turn.
You look like a clown.
Just immediately started going. You gotta compensate with the wheel. Like, let go of it when you pull the handle.
What?
Let go of the wheel at first when you pull the handle. Let the cart do what it wants. He didn't let go at all.